Hello and welcome to Virtual Crafts. In this video we'll see how we can add a maintenance page and a coming soon or under construction page to our website. We need to display a coming soon page on our website if we've purchased a new domain and we're working on creating our website, which means our website is currently under construction. And we have a rough idea that we'll be able to complete developing this website in 10 days, 20 days or a month, and then we show the respective countdown timer on our coming soon page that when this countdown timer runs out, we'll be done with our website and we'll be live. So when you add a coming soon page on your website, anyone that searches for your domain name will not see a message that this website doesn't exist. He will simply be redirected to a coming soon page with a logo, a website title, a countdown timer, your social profiles, a subscription form, and a copyright tag. And this is how our coming soon page will look like: a logo, a title, a countdown timer, a message you want to be shown, your social media profiles, a subscription form for your visitors to become a member, and a copyright text in the footer. And why do we need the maintenance page? Maintenance pages are used when we already have a website and we are currently making some changes to our website. Then we display a maintenance page that when anyone searches for our domain name, he'll be redirected to that maintenance page that we are currently making some changes to our website. And we specify a timer that after this specified interval, we'll be ready with our changes and we'll be live again. So that's what we'll see in detail in this video. Go to your WordPress dashboard. Okay, we are at a WordPress dashboard. Now we have to install a plugin. Go to plugins tab and add new. Search for a plugin CMP. This is our plugin CMP coming soon in maintenance by Niteo Themes. Click install now. Installation is finished. Click activate. Okay, the plugin is now installed. You can click this CMP settings, or a new tab have been created here. Click this tab. CMP status is now disabled. We'll have to enable it. Here you can choose a CMP mode. Choose this radio button if you want a coming soon or a landing page, or this one if you want a maintenance mode, or this one if you want a redirect mode. I'll explain all of these individually. Let's first see coming soon and landing page. Come down and here are some available themes. You can download more themes from here. Hover over any theme and you can go for its details or preview. We'll preview these themes after adding our information. Go to this content tab and go through a logo setup. Currently we're using a text logo, Royal Tech, and when someone will click it, it will go to this URL. Let's use a graphic logo and select a logo from our media library. Insert logo. You can use custom logo height. We will use it if the logo looks too bigger. And when someone will click this logo, they'll be redirected to our website. This is the heading. It's customizable. Change it to whatever you want it to be. I'll change it to "We will be live soon." Stay tuned. You can display your message too. You can add pretty much anything here. You can add a full gallery we created in one of our previous videos. You can add your own media. You can write your text here. You can give links. Let's copy our heading as our message. Well, this is optional. You can keep it empty as well. Now this will be the background of our landing page. It is set to default media. You can use custom image. You can import images from Unsplash library, or you can use a video from YouTube, a graphic pattern, a solid color, or a gradient color. I'll go for custom image and choose an image from my media library and click insert image. Check this box if you want to display the same image on mobile. Currently a black color is set with a 0.4 opacity. Click save all changes. Go to customize. Choose your font color, your footer background color, its opacity, your heading fonts, your content fonts, You can upload a new font here too. Let's first go and see how our landing page looks. Visit your website. Make sure this coming soon mode is on and click CMP preview. And you'll see this, a very basic setup. Let's go back. Now let's preview our themes. Currently this theme is active. Click preview. And this is how it looks. Go back and preview this one. This is a complete landing page, a logo, a header image, your heading, your message, a subscription form, your social icons, and a footer. Let's add our social icons first. Go back, go to content, and configure your social icons here. Give your Facebook profile here, your Twitter profile, Insta, LinkedIn. Let's say we set these profiles. Click save all changes and refresh this theme. And now you'll see your social icons there. Get back to your dashboard again. Change to this countdown theme. And this is how our coming soon or maintenance page will look like. Let's change the timer and our footer credits. Go to your dashboard again. For that you'll have to activate this theme. Go to your content tab. And now this block will be activated. Set up your countdown timer. Click this time. And from here you can choose the date and time according to you. Okay, now your countdown has been changed. Click save changes and refresh your preview page. And you'll see now it is 5 days. Come back to dashboard. And at last you'll see the footer credits. Change these footer credits to whatever you want. I'll go for copyright. Change this link to our website. Change the hyperlink text. And remove this. Now save the changes. Let's make these icons bigger and save all changes. Refresh the page. And this is how our coming soon page will look like. A logo, a title, a countdown timer, a message you want to be shown, your social media profiles, a subscription form for your visitors to become a member, and a copyright text in the footer. Go to SEO and Analytics tab. Here you can do some SEO settings. Choose an SEO optimized title and description, keeping in mind the keywords associated to your business industry. And after you're done with that, click save changes. You can add your custom CSS for more styling. Go to advanced tab. Go to notifications tab and check this box to send an email to this email address that your countdown has expired. You can also import and export the settings of this plugin. Now in the dashboard section, go to CMP subscribers, and every visitor who subscribes to you using this form will be listed here. Go to CMP translations, and these are some labels to be shown on your landing page. You can change these. For example, we have this insert your email placeholder in our subscription form here. Get back and change it to enter your email. Save the changes and refresh the page, and now it will be enter your email. So you can change all of these labels, these days, hours, minutes, seconds labels, this submit button text, and everything that's displayed here. Go to this tab, upload CMP theme, and if you've downloaded any CMP theme, click choose file, choose the theme file and click install theme, and your new theme will be installed. Go to CMP basic setup again, the maintenance mode works the same. You'll just have to customize your messages and the countdown timer. And this is an important mode, the redirect mode, that whenever someone searches for your domain or goes to the link of your website, he must be redirected to a new link. You'll write that link here. Let's say I want my website to be redirected to Wikipedia. And now whenever someone searches for my website, he'll be redirected to this Wikipedia homepage. Click Save All Changes. Open a new incognito window. Search for your website. And you'll see that now it's been redirected to the Wikipedia homepage. Let's go back to our dashboard. Change to our coming soon or landing page mode. And save all changes. Go back to your incognito window. And search for your website again. And now you'll see that it has got you to your coming soon page. So this is how you add coming soon pages, landing pages, maintenance mode pages, and you can redirect your website to some other link. That's all for this video. If you like the video, please subscribe to this channel and turn on the notifications to get notified about every latest video I upload. Thank you and see you in the next video.